So what is happening is that the first time MLAs have written to the High Command of the Congress and they're asking for representation during the expected reshuffle. So huge updates coming in here, viewers. First time Congress MLAs in Karnataka have written to Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and other party leaders seeking representation in the state cabinet during the expected reshuffle. The legislators said the 38 first-time MLAs were elected on the Congress ticket, reflecting public demand for new leadership, but none of them were included in the existing ministry. They have urged the party high command to induct at least 5 first-time MLAs as ministers, arguing that a mix of young and experienced leaders would strengthen governance of the party ahead of the future elections. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague Abhishek, who's joining us live from Bengaluru. Abhishek, yes, take our viewers through what is the demand of these first-time Congress MLAs. They've written to the party's high command. What do they want?
Shivangi, the 38 MLAs of the Congress party who have been elected for the first time in the entire election process have written a letter to the High Command of Congress, including Siddaramaiah, D.K. Shivakumar, mentioning their names as well, stating a fact that the Karnataka state elected all these 38 MLAs for the first time because they are expecting a new legacy in the politics of the Karnataka. And the people of Karnataka wish to see new faces and new leaders taking over the cabinet, and that is why all these 38 MLAs have been elected by the people. However, the first-time MLAs who have undersigned the letter have also mentioned that none of the MLAs had been selected to the cabinet, which had been formed by CM Siddaramaiah. At least 5 new MLAs will have to be fit into the new cabinet expansion or the reshuffled cabinet, which is going to happen anytime soon, is their demand. And this is very clearly written in the letter also. But we are awaiting the response of the Congress High Command because the Congress High Command, neither CM Siddaramaiah nor DCM D.K. Shivakumar, and also the Congress High Command haven't clarified if there will be a cabinet reshuffle or expansion in the near future, and also if there is going to be the change of chief minister position in the state of Karnataka. So this letter, amidst the chaos of the changes in the chair of chief minister, has deeply held a strong message stating that even the MLAs might not be happy with the existing cabinet and they are seeking their position in the new cabinet, and they also will make sure that they will start the internal politics to make sure that they also get a position in the cabinet anytime soon, Shivangi.
Okay, and the BJP has also hit out at this demand of the first-time Congress MLAs, and they're calling this move a political maneuver. What else is the BJP saying?
Well, with respect to the letter which has already been circulated on the social media, BJP and JDS who of Karnataka have also very clearly mentioned that the fight within the political party Congress is not only because of the chief minister changes, but also because of various other MLAs who are trying to be the MLA for the who are trying to be the minister for the first time. The dispute is not only between the sect of Siddaramaiah and the team of DCM D.K. Shivakumar, but also it is a very clear mandate that the MLAs in the Congress party do not want to stay or continue as the MLAs for the entire term, and they are also seeking their new position in the cabinet of Karnataka. On the other hand, we've also been told by the BJP leaders that these MLAs will make sure that the government will come down if at all this issue hasn't been rectified by the High Command, and also the failure of the Congress government will obviously be on the High Command of the Congress and not on the opposition parties in the state of Karnataka. So we are awaiting the response of various other BJP and JDS leaders with respect to this particular letter, and we are also awaiting their reaction as to how the opposition party in the state of Karnataka looks at this particular letter, which has been written by the Congress MLAs towards their High Command. Shivangi.
All right. Well, thank you, Abhishek, for getting us all those details.